Alright, hook set and fish on. So one more fish on now, guys. So in Jamaica it's called bream, and in America it might be called pinfish. Another good size bream. My bream over here. And another fish. Another bream too. So a bream around. So I just talk about it like a regular fish. This is one giant, you know, people. Look on this. A giant fish this compared to me usually catching a brethren. First throw now on video with my biggest setup. I don't know if this is a fish on the line right now. I'm retrieving it. So yes, it is indeed a fish on the line right now. Kind of a bit small. So at this point now I am switching to a double bottom rig and a different rod. So this setup now has 2 beads. Each connection is actually a T-nut. This is my T-nut. Ready for a decent cast. Not as far as the other one, but it's manageable. Getting a few strikes. Alright, hook set and fish on. So this is the first catch right now on my new setup. Double bottom rig with T-nuts. Ready for another cast. Okay, I'm getting a few strikes. That didn't do anything really. I'm timing these strikes way too bad. Alright, fish on. So one more fish on now, guys. So in Jamaica it's called bream, and in America it might be called pinfish. So I'm getting strikes again now. These insects be going quite quick. Whoa! Alright, fish on. No, it wasn't fish on. Alright, fish on, no. Well, for a fact. Okay, no I know. It was a small one that it jumped off at the very last second. I would have showed it back anyways. Come on, I know you guys want to buy this. Come on, give me a proper strike. Alright. Fish on. Fish on, people. Fish on. Yo, another good size bream. Double hook up. No man, a fishing adventures, man. Alright, double hook up now, people. So my bream over here. And another fish. Another bream too. So a bream around. So I just talk about it like a regular fish. This is one giant, you know, people. Look on this. A giant fish this compared to me usually catching a brethren. You know, yes. So I'm going to take this off now, off my line. Alright, they see them spike, they know them spike, they're real dangerous, you know. Not poisonous dangerous, but dangerous as in they can't make it joke you. Cause a whole heap of pain nuts. Supposed to post a video yesterday, but it never worked out. And I was trying out a bit of green screen. By the time this video is releasing, I already have that green screen footage out. I want to know what you guys think of it in the comment section.
My Jack never said good again, you know. Yeah. I'm going to stop. When you reach down this, I'm going to go down there actually and lift him out, you know.
Oh, you have to hold the line itself.
Yeah.
A loose drag is never a good thing, people. Always set on a drag, right? Alright, I just got a hook set. Somebody that pause with music, I'm have to pause. Obscene music to make matters worse. Anyways, sorry about missing that hook set. So here is another fish, a bream. So the fish are going, man. Wait a second, there is something still on there. So I'm gonna just stay and throw this out. No need to rebait it. Alright, tight lines. Fish on. And it's actually using my drag. Feels like a good size. Yes, this fish actually used my drag just now. I'm kind of new to knowing that fish species. No, imagine if I decided to rebait just now. I would have missed this grand catch. Another small stripe. Or hook set, fish on. Keep the line tight, you know. Another fish up. So now it's a lower hook that caught something. Don't know if I'm seeing it on the video right now. And as usual, you pull the spikes out. So what I usually do, I hold it from the top and slide my hand down with a little pressure. Those spikes are basically disarmed. Then I take the hook out of the fish mouth and drop it into my container. In this case, it is a thermo bag. So time to cast again. Close the bail, tight lines. I think that might be another catchphrase for my channel, tight lines. Comment below and tell me what you guys think about that catchphrase, tight lines. Okay, hook set and fish on. Yeah. Holding tight lines. Alright. See it there now, man. Surprising thing, the nice big piece of shrimp right here. And he went for the smaller piece. Got a serious hook on a while ago. I don't know if the fish is still there or it's there. Fish on. Kind of like a similar size as the other ones. But definitely not the biggest one. Didn't get to show the cast because the person with the loud obscene music came and parked right near to us. Hook set, fish on. Tight lines. I thought the fish was off, but it was still there. Actually, it feels like a small one. Yes, it is a small one. No legal size limit, but I keep as a personal size limits. Yes, it's still a keeper. Don't want to waste them. Fish on. Fish all I use my drag. Double hook up. No, them never catch nothing out of me catch something. The fish actually arrive all my biggest catch since night. Yeah man, the second biggest. It is the second biggest. See the biggest one here on my right hand. And them one I just catch on my left. Here's some strikes. Here's something left on it. Fish on. Feel kinda small though. Yeah man, it's small. And here is the fish. Need for hook set right now, come on. You! Alright. Apparently fish on. Here is another fish. Just caught this one. A bream again. As I guess now. The fish them rub the baits. No man, I not gamble. That they catch one fish and open them biggest setup for the first time. No, catch a size of this man. This is by far the biggest. What then call it again? Bream. So by far the biggest bream we'll catch out here so far. I just caught something else. I changed rods again. I'm now using my medium heavy rod. 7 foot. It's a Shakespeare ugly stick. Here's my catch, another bream. So this right now is possibly my very last cast for this particular video. Is this fish on? Because that would be real good right now to end the day or the evening. Is it fish on? Yes, it's a fish on. With a small or large? Oh, come on, a small fish end the day. Here it is now. This is a throwback size. Alright, get back close to the water. But not too close though. And he's back in the water now. I'm not going to take out the fish and just put on the concrete like that. I'm not going to really count it here. Maybe it's better I just carry it home. I do my counting right there. But in case I don't really get a chance to finish it up at home, I'm going to just do a quick outro. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, share, comment and subscribe. And stay tuned for more videos.